Alright, quick update on Strong. So we are still pushing down very strongly to our price target that we've got down here between $77 and $70. Now if you haven't watched my previous videos and you don't know why I'm targeting these regions, we have a 2.618 from this Fibonacci retracement from low to high here. We also do have a massive, if I can move this over, we do have a massive bear flag target all the way down here. You can see we've got this big bearish pennant rather coming all the way down, predicting a price target of $70. We do also have a smaller bear flag right here, similarly predicting a price target just underneath the $70. But in my opinion, this big green box here, or not too big, but anywhere between this 77 and 70 is where I am looking for that price target. So I've basically been moving this down every day. We've been predicting this since all the way up here. Yesterday we moved it down from maybe 42, 45 or whatever it was. Yesterday we were still calling this for a 40% drop, and now if we move this down, it's only about a 35, 36% drop, so we're getting closer every day. The selling volume is still increasing. I won't, why not, it only takes a second, but you can see that the selling volume is very much exponentially increasing in Strong. If we do zoom in and look at the selling volume, it is pretty much all red selling volume. So I don't want to take up too much of your time. All in all, I do think we are heading down to this $77 to $70, but the only thing that's really changed since yesterday's video is I outlined we don't necessarily have to play out this inverse head and shoulders. Obviously that was never the case that we had to do anything anyway, but I did outline that I would be looking for a bottoming signal within this region, and specifically I said whether we play out a W pattern like this and then have a strong push up, that could be a nice bottoming signal, or whether we do this inverse head and shoulders, which by the way has a neckline up here of 190, so I am sitting on the sideline on Strong until we do break out of this neckline of 190, or we do have a very strong bounce from the $70 region. Either way, I have been sitting on the sideline for Strong, predicting lower price targets since I started making videos at roughly $272, and we've done nothing but fall off the table since then. So like I said, the only thing that's really changed since yesterday is when we were somewhat roundabout here yesterday, I still did keep in mind that there would be a possibility. I didn't say it was likely at all, but I did say there could be a possibility of us doing something like this and playing out a W pattern. I think we are now too far gone, so that's pretty much all I wanted to update you with. This doesn't look like a W pattern to me anymore, even if we do have a massive explosion up. I think, these candle wick closes, or these candle body closes rather, are all the way up here at 119, and now we do have price action. If we do close round about here, we're at like 111, so almost 10% down also from this candle body close up here. So all in all, I think this inverse head and shoulders that we've been talking about for a very long time now, I think we made this prediction when we didn't even properly form this this shoulder, so it's worked out pretty well. I do still think we're coming down to $77 and $70. All in all, the selling volume is predicting the price, and yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. So best of luck if you are holding Strong. Once again, none of this is financial advice, just my own opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Cowboy out. Peace.